Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a deep dive into Polkadot, DOT, a blockchain platform that's often referred to as the Internet of Blockchains. But Polkadot is much more than just another cryptocurrency. It's an entire ecosystem designed to connect different blockchains into one seamless, unified network. Unlike many projects in the blockchain space, Polkadot focuses on creating a fully interoperable environment where multiple independent blockchains can communicate and operate together. Picture a world where Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other blockchains could interact effortlessly with each other. What if transferring assets, exchanging data, or even executing complex smart contracts across different platforms was as simple as sending an email? Polkadot provides the infrastructure to make this a reality. It serves as a bridge that links isolated blockchain networks, enabling assets and data to flow freely and efficiently between them. In a sense, Polkadot is transforming what's traditionally been a fragmented ecosystem of isolated blockchains into a cohesive global network that is greater than the sum of its parts. Polkadot was founded in 2016 by Dr. Gavin Wood, who is also a co-founder of Ethereum. Gavin's experience with Ethereum allowed him to see the immense potential of blockchain technology, but also the limitations it faced. While Ethereum brought the concept of smart contracts into the mainstream, its scalability issues, lack of interoperability between different blockchains, and limited customization options for developers became apparent over time. With these challenges in mind, Gavin Wood envisioned Polkadot as a solution to these very problems, aiming to create a blockchain ecosystem that could scale efficiently, enable communication between blockchains, and allow for greater flexibility. At the core of Polkadot's mission is the idea of a decentralized internet where multiple blockchains can coexist and work together seamlessly. Think of it like the internet itself, but for blockchains, each individual blockchain functioning like a website, connected to a broader system where they can communicate and share data with each other. But Polkadot doesn't just serve the cryptocurrency space. It has broad implications for industries like supply chain management, gaming, healthcare, and decentralized finance. Each blockchain can serve a unique, specialized role, which contributes to a larger ecosystem that is more interconnected and interoperable than ever before. What truly sets Polkadot apart is its groundbreaking multi-chain architecture. Unlike traditional blockchains that often operate as isolated systems, Polkadot introduces a new concept where multiple specialized blockchains, known as parachains, are connected to a central chain called the relay chain. This relay chain ensures the overall security and consensus of the network, while parachains are free to operate in parallel, each tailored to a specific use case or application. This structure allows for a much higher volume of transactions to be processed simultaneously compared to traditional single-chain blockchains, making Polkadot an incredibly powerful and efficient system. To put it in perspective, imagine Polkadot as a massive international airport. The relay chain is the control tower coordinating all of the flights, while parachains are the individual airlines, each with its own schedules and routes to various destinations. This parallel structure is what enables Polkadot to handle an extraordinary amount of transactions, offering a level of scalability that traditional blockchain systems can't match. In essence, Polkadot turns the blockchain landscape into a much more efficient and interconnected network of specialized systems that can operate simultaneously without compromising on security. One of the standout features of Polkadot is its unique consensus mechanism known as Nominated Proof of Stake, or NPOS. In this system, validators are responsible for securing the network by producing new blocks and verifying transactions. Meanwhile, nominators play a vital role by staking their DOT tokens to support the validators they trust. This process encourages collaboration, ensuring that the network remains decentralized and secure while also maintaining a high level of efficiency. By allowing a wider pool of participants to engage in securing the network, Polkadot fosters a more inclusive ecosystem that is resistant to centralization. Polkadot also uses a shared security model, which is revolutionary for the blockchain industry. All parachains within the network benefit from the same high level of security provided by the relay chain. This means that even smaller parachains that are just starting out can take advantage of Polkadot's robust security framework, ensuring that they are well protected from malicious attacks or vulnerabilities. This shared security model helps foster a more secure and reliable ecosystem, allowing new projects to launch with confidence. Like any ambitious project, however, Polkadot faces its share of challenges. One of the biggest hurdles it must overcome is adoption. While Polkadot's ecosystem is growing rapidly, it is still in its early stages compared to Ethereum, which has a well-established network and a larger community of developers and users. Building a strong, vibrant community around Polkadot will take time, but it's a necessary step in ensuring its long-term success. Polkadot also faces stiff competition from other blockchain projects, particularly those focused on interoperability, such as Cosmos and Avalanche. The competition to become the dominant platform for connecting blockchains is fierce, and Polkadot must continue to innovate in order to stay ahead. The market is still young, and the race for blockchain interoperability is far from over. Another challenge Polkadot must address is the complexity of its architecture. While the multi-chain design offers immense advantages, it can be more difficult to understand for developers who are used to working with traditional single-chain blockchains. The learning curve can be steep, and some developers may shy away from the platform simply because it's more intricate than what they're used to. Regulation is another factor that could impact Polkadot's growth. Like all blockchain projects, it must navigate an ever-evolving regulatory landscape. Governments around the world are still grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, and any changes to the regulatory environment could influence Polkadot's adoption and development. Despite these challenges, Polkadot's potential is enormous. The parachain auctions that Polkadot has introduced are already driving innovation, attracting projects from a wide range of industries to build decentralized applications. These new projects are adding diversity to the ecosystem, strengthening the network, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the blockchain space. Every new project that joins Polkadot's ecosystem adds new value, much like new apps being added to a growing app store. The growth of Polkadot's bridges also continues to expand its reach. With each new blockchain integrated into its network, Polkadot's vision of creating an interconnected, seamless blockchain world becomes closer to reality. This focus on interoperability is at the heart of Polkadot's strategy, and it's driving its mission to connect blockchains and facilitate smoother cross-chain communication. Governance is another critical aspect of Polkadot's design. The holders of DOT tokens play a direct role in shaping the network's future. Through Polkadot's decentralized governance model, the community has a say in the direction of the platform, making it more adaptable and responsive to the needs of its users. This ensures that Polkadot evolves in a way that reflects the values and priorities of its growing community. Polkadot is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's an ambitious platform designed to unify the blockchain world, solving some of the industry's most pressing challenges. Its focus on interoperability, scalability, and security sets it apart as a truly transformative force in the blockchain space. Whether you're a developer looking for a platform to build innovative applications, an investor interested in the future of blockchain, or simply a blockchain enthusiast, Polkadot offers an exciting and promising vision for a more connected and integrated digital future. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this comprehensive exploration of Polkadot and its transformative potential, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth insights into the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. See you next time.